let me get right into this video for you, because as you can see, everything is already prepared, ready to start on the fire. Onions, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, some carrots. Mommy said, the man said, this is sardine. I was like, okay, no worries. Sardines, sprats, you name it, fishes, they're all from the same family. I don't really care at this point. So because she would have already cleaned off everything, she's going in to fry these. Now, of course, these are quite delicate and soft, so they don't take forever, like the bigger fishes such as like parrots and stuff like that. So you just want to keep a close eye on these, because in no time we need to flip these around. And of course, she's going to go in now, she's going to make her pickles. Let me tell you something, I'm a huge lover of Escovitch fish, and you know what actually I enjoy the most from the Escovitch fish is really the pickles, because the flavor that it really gives on the fish is just everything. And we all know that some hard old bread or bami goes well with these sort of things and whatever, and a nice cup of tea especially, yes. But knowing me, I will have mine with something unhealthy like a soda. It's the truth, I do love a little bit of fizz, but I need to really cut it out. But anyway, she's preparing the pickles right here, and the aroma alone is amazing. Honestly, I normally eat out all the onions of the fish. Watch this, because this is going to be bomb. To be honest with you, I don't even have any bread here, so I may have to get bread very soon. So anyway, so she's finished with the frying of the fishes, so she's going in with the pickles. Now, you don't have to make your pickle too spicy, because especially as well if you're going to have children that eat, so it depends on your household. Like me and my mom, we basically, like, we're full-grown adults, so we're basically going to prepare the food how we want the food and how we're going to eat the food, but you're going to do yours with your own moderation, okay, and your own discretion. But let me tell you something, the flavor and the aroma here is top notch. Okay, if you want to see a bit more depth of this or how she prepares Escovitch fish, you can go over to her channel, which is Joan Homemade Meals. I'm sure I've uploaded videos there of her preparing Escovitch fishes before, and you can get a little bit more insight. And to be honest with you, we don't even do a measurement, but yeah, this is on point. So that's one meal preparation out of the way. So we're going in to look after our prawns now. A bit of garlic in the pot and a bit of curry powder. We're just going to allow this to burn. I mean, if you're from the Caribbean, I like to say the island, you know what we do and what we mean when we say we actually burned our curry powder, okay? Because things need to be cooked and absorbed, and everything just needs to be prepared properly to avoid any sort of upset stomach. And of course, you already know that by now. My mom loves garlic so much, and garlic adds so much flavors, an aroma to your food, and healthy benefits as well. So she went in right with her chopped pumpkins and all of her seasoning, scallions, tomatoes, bell peppers, you name it, every single thing that you can think of. And do remember, you add whatever you want to add seasoning wise to your pot. She is going to make prawns pumpkin takari. Yeah, I've got to get this right, otherwise she will correct me and said that's not what I did say. So I was like, okay, even though I'm actually recording it, I forget some of the time. Oh my god. Anyway, so this didn't take long to prepare, and of course, prawn is something that cooks really, really easy. So once she gets everything the way that she wants it, she's gonna add in her prawn. She's going in with her onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and again a bit of scallion, because she had left some of the season behind to add in a little bit later. You can have this with whatever you want to have, whether you want to have it with rice, whether you want to have it with vegetable. Again, it's totally up to you. These are all our indoors homemade meals based on what we feel like. God, I feel like I almost choke right there. Doing this voiceover is absolutely crazy, especially when I'm exhausted. But if I don't get this done, then yeah. Okay, this is going to be one of the realest voiceover videos. But yeah, obviously it was absolutely delicious. You can do pumpkin takar with like chicken as well. Oh my god, that one is so good. 100%. I actually love when my mom does that. But look at this juicy, flavorful, and look at the consistency and the texture of the gravy. Oh my God, because I know you all want some. You're just acting. You can drop a comment in the comment section because that's what the comment box is there for, guys. If you do enjoy this video and you enjoy the meal prep, then yes, do go ahead and share your thoughts. And if there's something that you'd like to see my mom cooked, you can just let me know. To be honest with you, there are certain things that she doesn't really cook, especially we're quite a different kind of family around here. Whatever we don't like, we ain't gonna prepare it. And if we kind of don't like and medium kind of like, we might prepare it and then you don't see us do it again because we don't really enjoy it. Anyway, so she's sharing this out. This prawn pumpkin takar was absolutely amazing. Right texture, right flavor, right season, you name it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoy this video. You can tell your friends and your family. Continue to engage with me in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.